Hello, sir. May I get in?
Oh, hello. Yes, please come in. Let's take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. How are you today?
I'm pretty good.
Great. This is the speaking test of the International English Language Testing System, taking place on Monday, 2nd of March at Cambridgeshire. The center number is BD 132133. The candidate is Sadman Asif and the candidate number is 079130. The examiner is Shafiqul Islam and the examiner number is 433816. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
My name's Shafiqul Islam. Should you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Salman Asif.
And how would you like me to address you?
You may address me Asif.
All right, Asif. Could I see your identification, please?
Here you go, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Right. In the first part of the interview, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself.
Okay.
So let's talk about what you do. Do you work or study?
I do study. Currently, I'm studying in Islamic History and Culture at Kusta Government College.
And do you enjoy your subject?
Yes, I enjoy my subject because I'm learning many things about religion and Islam from my subject.
Great. So let's talk about singing.
Okay, go on.
All right. So do you like singing?
Yes, I enjoy singing. It's a creative outlet that brings me joy and allows me to express myself through music.
Great. Have you ever taken singing lessons?
No, I have not taken formal singing lesson. However, I have practiced singing on my own and learned techniques from online resources.
Great. Do you sing more or less than when you were a child?
I would say I sing less now compared to when I was child. Singing was a carefree activity during my childhood, but as I grew older, other responsibilities and interests took up more of my time.
Great. Do you think singing can bring happiness to people?
Yes, singing can bring happiness to people. It has a way of uplifting spirits, evoking emotion, and creating a sense of connection. Singing can be a form of self expression and provide a therapeutic and enjoyable experience.
All right. So let's move on to talk about small business.
Okay,
All right. So how often do you shop at a small business?
I make an effort to support a small business regularly. While the frequency vary, I believe in the importance of helping local entrepreneurs and contributing to the community's economy.
Great. Do you prefer buying things from small businesses or big businesses?
I appreciate both small business and big business for different reasons. Small business often offer unique product, personalized service, while big business provide convenience, a wider range of choice. So it depends on the specific product or service I need.
Are there many small businesses where you live?
Yes, there are many small businesses in my area that play a vital role in our local economy, offering diverse goods and service served to the community's need.
Would you prefer to work for a small business or a large business?
This preference may vary based on individual goals and circumstances. Working for a small business can offer close-knit environment, opportunities for growth. On the other hand, big business provide more resources, stability, potential for career advancement. So it depends on the personal priorities and career aspiration.
All right, now let's move on to the second part of your speaking test. And in this part of the speaking test, I'm going to give you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. All right?
Yes.
Okay, so you have 1 minute to plan what you're going to say and you can make notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here's your paper, pencil, and this is your topic.
Thank you, sir.
So I'd like you to describe the game you enjoyed playing when you were younger. All right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Start making notes. All right, your time's up. Now you have 1 to 2 minutes for this, so don't worry if I stop you. I'll tell you when time's up. Is that all right?
It's
Okay, so could you please just start speaking now?
When I was younger, one game that I really enjoyed playing was hide and seek. Hide and seek is a classical children game where one person closes their eyes and counts while the other hides. The seeker then tries to find the hidden individuals. I played these games with my friends from neighborhood. We would gather in the evening after classes or on weekends and play in the nearby park or around our house. Sometimes we would even play it indoors on rainy days. I enjoyed playing these games because it brought a sense of excitement and adventure. It was thrilling to find the perfect hiding spots and try to stay hidden until the seeker gave up or found everyone. It allowed us to use our imagination and creativity in finding clever hiding places. The anticipation of being found or finding others was always filled with suspense and laughter. The game also helped us bond and strengthen our friendship because we can share those joyful moments together. Moreover, hide and seek provide a break from our daily routine, and it allowed us to explore the environment around us. Hide and seek taught us important skills such as observation, teamwork, and problem solving.
Great. Your time's up. Now you've been telling me about the game that you enjoyed playing when you were younger. All right.
Okay,
So
sir.
now in the final 5 minutes of this test, I'd like to ask you some more general questions that are related to this.
Okay.
Okay. So let's discuss the effectiveness of playing games.
Okay, go on.
All right. So what games do Bangladeshi children play now?
Bangladeshi children today play a variety of games, including outdoors games like football, cricket, kabaddi, as well as indoors games like carom, chess, and video games.
Do boys and girls play different games?
Yes, boys and girls tend to play different games based on their preference and social norms. Boys often engage physical sports and activities, while girls may learn through activities like skipping, hopscotch, and playing with dolls.
Why do children in kindergarten play games?
Children in kindergarten play games to develop various skills such as cognitive abilities, creativity, motor skill. Games provide a fun and engaging way for them to learn and explore the world around them.
Great. Should games be interesting or only to learn?
Games should be interesting and educational, while it's important for games to capture children's attention and spark their curiosity. They should also offer opportunities for learning, whether it's important developing problem-solving skill.
All right. Is winning important in games?
Winning can be important because it can provide a sense of achievement and boost confidence. However, the focus should not solely on the winning, but also on enjoying the process, learning from failures, and developing sportsmanship.
Great. So is it more satisfying to win in a team than as an individual?
Winning in a team can be more satisfying for some individuals because it involves collaboration, shared goals, and sense of camaraderie. Celebrating victories together and working towards a common objective can create a stronger bond among team members. However, personal preference may vary and some individuals may find equal satisfaction in winning as an individual.
All right, Asif. That's the end of your speaking test.
Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome.